Alrighty, now that we've got our peanut M&Ms onto the Blackstone with our mini pretzels, marshmallows, chocolate chips, Chex cereal, and Rice Krispies, I'm just coming in with a little bit of caramel sauce. I'm going to just add this in sparingly here and there. I'm probably going to use this whole container because obviously we're making a larger batch today. But you can omit this if you're not a caramel fan. You could use some Werther's Originals. The choices with this are just endless. Alrighty, I'm just gonna put a little bit of ground cinnamon in. We've got some cinnamon already on those cinnamon Chex, but this is gonna just bring a nice fall flavor to all of this. Alright, I'm gonna add a little bit of nutmeg on here. Gosh, this already smells absolutely incredible. And I'm choosing to do a little bit of apple pie spice. Now you can leave these off, you can put whatever spices you want. Alrighty, now for the fun part, I am just gonna grab my Haba flippers and we are gonna start mixing this all together. This is such a fun treat. You can do this at Christmas time. You can do this for the summer, for back to school. This is just an all-around good time. Such an easy way to do this with the Blackstone, our chocolate, our pretzels. We've got the M&Ms here. We've got our caramel drizzle, and we're just gonna get all of this combined together, mixed up really, really well. The fun part about this is it's totally customizable. You can use regular M&Ms, you can use peanut M&Ms, you can use whatever kind of candy you like. I just happen to have the peanut ones at home, but of course I do love the peanut butter as well. Just so tasty. And look at how easily this is melting together. That chocolate, those marshmallows, our pretzels. This is gonna be so yummy, y'all. So tasty. All right, now that we've got this all well combined and tossed, I have just got my container here. Of course, you can put this in any kind of container that you prefer. I'm just using a pan that'll be easy to transfer it with, easy to take it to go to church, to a birthday party. You know, it's a great on-the-go container. But you know, you could also form this into whatever shape you're interested in. I've seen a lot of really cool cakes recently in the shape of dinosaurs. And this is just such a fun way to treat yourself and your family. Now I'm just gonna get this a little bit smashed down evenly here. That looks really, really good. Perfect. Add a few more M&Ms on top just for color. So fun. And these could be little dinosaur eggs. I'm gonna come in with just some sprinkles to give this a pop of color, a pop of festiveness. And put a little pink on there too, because I love it. Alrighty, I'm just gonna set this into my fridge until it hardens. Alrighty, after just a couple hours in the fridge, our treat is ready to enjoy. Now this would just be so perfect for any kind of occasion, a birthday party, a holiday party. And I'm gonna just come right on in here. Marty suggested the cleaver. Now I'm just gonna use my metal spatula. Woo, I'm gonna try and get down under here. Oh yeah, we did it. Look at this gorgeous piece. Now, wouldn't this make a great gift for a friend, for a family? It's such a good party treat. Or you can just keep a piece by the side of your bed and nibble on it when you want a little snack. Oh, this is so good. You gotta try it.